Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Igloo refrigerator. Check this out, it's not even working, so let's see what's going on with this. I just opened it up before and figured out that these connections here, you can see this here, I took it out, and see that part over there? Yeah, so I took it out from there, and these parts came out. So this should be a polarity between them, so I took them apart. See these pieces coming out like that, and this one here, oh, it popped up. And see this part here, this is the problem. So we need to figure this out. So we need to check the continuity on this. See, you can see there's nothing coming out, but if you check on the other side, you see there's some reading up there, and this side doesn't have any. So that's the main problem. Maybe it's short circuited or something, so that's why we need to sandpaper it or just grind it or something and put it back together, and let's see what happens. Just gotta go this way, there's gonna be a snap, and there you go. Now we're gonna check the continuity on this, and you gotta see the screen. There you go. It should be in all three probes. This is the continuity bar that I was pointing at, and you can see it's done. So I'm putting it back now, and this is the way it's gonna go. You can see it's pretty easy. There's nothing complicated in it, just the way you took it out. You gotta put it back the same way. And I'm trying to get a proper view from here. Actually, my wife. That's coming out good. There you go. You gotta plug all the wires in, and all done. And there's a plastic cover up there, you gotta put that on top too. And the final step is just to put this on, and maybe you need some help holding the light. There you go, she got it. So I'm gonna put some screws on it, and that's it. And we're done. So this is the last screw, and hopefully this is gonna run fine. Let's try this. So there's a green light, means good. G for good, G for green. Thank you for watching, guys.